Today, I was honored in the town where I had the beginnings of my life. At this age of 34, when I look back, I find myself comfortable in life with considerable holdings, assets, and business interests. Having been recognized by the international bodies and organizations on my making software solutions and devising techniques, I was invited in my hometown and felicitated for the achievements. I had never been to this auditorium as a child, and today I was at the rostrum under the glare of light, camera, and the press. It was public knowledge that I had had very humble, rather poor beginnings. The press had already covered me on that account. Now it was their interest to know what prompted me, what motivated me to work up on the ladder. On looking back for an answer to it, I find the four words, per ardua ad astra. Yes, these were the four words that have guided me to what I am today. Being brought up by a mother who got widowed soon after my birth, I could not have been enrolled to a good school. Our basti was on the siding of railway track, and not far from there was the school Nai Rahe, being run and managed by a trust. The school did not charge any fee from any child and still managed affairs. The school prayer started with the words per ardua ad astra. On recollection today, I find the prayers very meaningful. They were inspirational. लहरों से डरकर नौका पार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की हार नहीं होती। लहरों से डरकर नौका पार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की हार नहीं होती. We just sang in chorus without understanding the meaning. The school would hold plays on the lives of people that were self-made. I have also participated in a play on the life of Shri Abdul Kalam ji. There was another song that the entire school would sing. हिम्मत से काम लेंगे घबराना कैसा, हिम्मत से काम लेंगे घबराना कैसा, ये महक गुलाबों की महकाती है गुलशन, कांटा अगर चुभ जाए तो घबराना कैसा, हिम्मत से काम लेंगे घबराना कैसा. This song was introduced when I was in class 5 and I understood each word of it. Besides free education, the school also provided us with free books, uniform, school bag and shoes, etc. The management was sensitive to our needs and before the winters would get us woolen socks, cap and a sweater. But despite all these facilities for school education, there were scarcities at home. My mother worked all day long to run home and hearth. For education beyond the middle school, the management of Nai Rahe fixed up the payment through some unknown contributing donor. My school fee would be taken care of by him. I started helping smaller children around my home with their homework and studies at petty amounts. This enabled me to pay installments of the old bicycle that my mother had got me from a cycle puncture shop. The result of class 10th board was honorable to continue with the donation of fee that I had been getting in the previous years. This school was elitist and the children came by their self-owned scooters and motorbikes. Most of them would take tutorials and extra coaching for preparation of IIT. I could not afford to pay the exorbitant fee these tutorials charged, but befriended fellows that got me the test papers. I would seek test papers of all the coaching centers in town to take the test in specified time. One of such solved papers was carried by my friend to the tuition center and the tutor got keen to meet the student that could not afford to pay for the class but could solve the paper. The tuition center allowed me to attend the classes at no fee. The trials and tribulations of life were faced many a time. I felt scared that I will not be able to continue with the studies. यूं तो खुद पे बहुत एतबार है, यूं तो खुद पे बहुत एतबार है, लेकिन ये बर्फ आँच के आगे पिघल ना जाए कहीं। कभी मचान पर चढ़ने की आरजू उभरी, कभी मचान पर चढ़ने की आरजू उभरी, कभी ये डर कि सीढ़ी फिसल ना जाए कहीं। During my high school, I would habitually say per ardua ad astra before starting with my studies. Trust me, having got admitted to the engineering college, I googled to know what per ardua ad astra meant. The meaningful Latin words were from hardships to astral success. विपरीत परिस्थितियों से सितारों की ओर, got me from झुग्गी to what I am today. The meaningful words of school prayer echo in my ears. जब कदम बढ़ाया है मंजिल मिल जाएगी, अगर राह जरा मुश्किल हो घबराना कैसा, हिम्मत से काम लेंगे घबराना कैसा, हिम्मत से काम लेंगे घबराना कैसा।